In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert text to voice in ELEVENLabs AI. By the end, you'll have a clean audio file generated from your text using a voice you choose, with the settings adjusted to match your style. First, log in at elevenlabs.io. Open your browser, go to elevenlabs.io, and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Make sure you're on the correct account before moving on. Next, go to Text-to-Speech. On the left-hand menu or the top navigation, click Text-to-Speech to open the main editor. You should now see a large text box and controls for voice and settings on the same page. Type or paste your text into the text box. Click inside the box, then paste your script or start typing. Keep your text clear and proofread for names, numbers, and punctuation, because this affects pronunciation and pacing. If you need line breaks or pauses, add them now with punctuation so the voice reads naturally. Make sure everything you want spoken is visible in the box before continuing. Select a voice from the voice library. Click Voice Library to open the available voices. Browse through the options and pick a voice that matches your use case. When you've found one, select it so it becomes the active voice for this conversion. If a short preview is available in the library, listen briefly to confirm the tone is right, then return to the editor with your chosen voice selected. Adjust stability and style if needed. Locate the stability and style controls. Stability affects how consistent the voice sounds from line to line. Higher stability is more steady. Lower stability allows more variation. A style affects how expressive and dynamic the delivery is. If you want a calm, even read, increase stability and reduce style slightly. If you want more emotion and emphasis, increase style. Move the sliders in small steps and avoid extreme values unless you need a very specific effect. These settings help the AI match the feel of your content. Click Generate to create your AI voice. Once your text, voice, and settings look good, click Generate. You'll see a short processing indicator while ELEVENLabs AI converts your text to speech. Wait for the generation to finish before taking any other action. Preview the audio and make changes if necessary. When the audio is ready, click Play to listen. Pay attention to names, acronyms, numbers, and sentence endings. If something sounds off, pause the playback, then adjust your text. You switch the voice or fine-tune the stability and style sliders. Small text edits like adding commas or rephrasing short lines can significantly improve clarity. After each change, click Generate again to produce a new version and preview until you're satisfied with the result. This loop is normal and helps you get a professional outcome. Click Download to save your audio file. Once the voiceover sounds right, click Download. Choose a location on your computer and confirm the save. Keep the file name clear and descriptive so you can find it later. Your text-to-speech conversion from ELEVENLabs AI is now saved and ready to use in your project. At this point, you've logged in, opened text-to-speech, entered your text, selected a voice from the voice library, adjusted stability and style, generated the voice, previewed it, and downloaded the final audio. The conversion is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.